Hej alle sammen og velkommen til den her video, der handler om mit nye PD2 kursus. Dette her kursus vil bestå af 10 videoer, der vil gå igennem de vigtigste dele af PD2-eksamen fra læseforståelse 1, læseforståelse 2 til skriftlig fremstilling. Og selvfølgelig også den mundtlige eksamen, som består af 3 forskellige dele. Din egen personlige præsentation, nogle billeder, hvor du skal beskrive en situation, og til sidst selvfølgelig også denne her samtaledel mellem 2 parter. Kurset vil gå igennem de vigtigste dele af PD2. I kurset vil jeg give dig en detaljeret handlingsplan for, hvordan du kan forberede dig til PD2-eksamen. Kurset er betalt, men de første 30 dage er der en 50% discount på kurset. Husk at like og subscribe, det hjælper kanalen super meget. Tusind tak for at se med. So let's move on to a bit more specific overview. And here it's just kind of the same as we spoke about in the first video, but just here it is in depth. It is in Danish, and I think we already spoke about most of it in the first slide. But let me zoom out a little bit, and over here, to the right. So if you can see just up here. Hopefully it shouldn't be too small. Just above me, there's a nice overview of kind of the whole test. So if you felt like it was a little bit dizzying in the first video, there was a lot of information, then go and look, and then pause the video and take a couple seconds to look at this. So let's get started with the actual test and how they look. So here. This is Læseforståelse 1, and this is the one that we kind of can think of in our head as the scanning part of the test. And by scanning, I mean that you read the question, you scan a word, and then you find it in the text. So let me show you an example. Here is the questions, and in the instruction part, it says instruction. And the first part is answer. And by the way, all the different test examples will say the same text in this part. First thing is answer the questions 1 to 6. The next thing is find information in the text. In the text booklet, basically hefte. In the text booklet that belongs to assignment 1. So in this case, that will be. To the left here. So that will be the text booklet. And then the next part of the question is answer short and precisely. So by this last point is important to say, just because that I know that when we grade these or when you grade these papers. What you do is that you, if you see that the right word is there, you give a correct mark. So don't worry about writing like 2 or 3 full lines. That's not necessary. So here it says search information under. We just use the word under for this, but it just search information at this section. So it's under Københavns bedste bagerier. And first, there's an example given here. Which bakery sells onsdagssnegle? And then it says, already answered, St. Peders Bageri. And then over here, we can see all the different bakeries. And then we can scroll down. And then we can see that St. Peders Bageri does indeed, you can see just here actually, it says onsdagssnegle, just to the left of me. And you don't need to read all that much of the context here. As soon as you see the word onsdagssnegle here, because you have such a short amount of time here, you just want, as soon as you see the word, you need to write the answer. So here it's St. Peders Bageri, of course, which was the onsdagssnegle. So this is the first part of the test, Læseforståelse 1, And the next one is it search information under legepladser i København. So this is playgrounds in Copenhagen. And then you'll have another text booklet where usually it's in the same booklet, but it's a different chapter where you'll then have that question. And the next question you can see is besøgsgård på Sjælland, and so on. So this one, again, very, very quick, very, you just have to scan the word and do it immediately. And it's all about speed in this one. Okay, good. So, but that's only one part of this test. So for the next part here,